All right, y'all, trade recap. I've been recording TikTok, so I did close my trade early yet again. This is what the trade was, at 500 ticks. We have this fair value up here that we just keep bouncing out of, so I'm like, So here is the P&L, which is, 150. I closed right here. My 500 was a little bit below this next 2 hour fair value gap. Like we inverse, boom. We said an hour. I'm like, an hour we're gonna go up. But then I saw this wick and I'm like, My trail almost tried to, it was to stop me out here, but I was paying attention, so I moved it down. So I just, maybe it's no trail. This is the set and forget. Actually, I didn't override the other one. Higher time frame bracket. And maybe it's just 300 for now, or like 400. We went to like 350 today, just like 175. I'm pretty sure we went. Yeah, we went 350. And I feel like, again, it's no news today or nothing, so we might get more volume. Tomorrow we got 500 ticks yesterday because we did have 10 negative news, but it still was a slow burn. It was a slow burn. And I want something I can just set and just not be scared to look at, which I thought was going to be this, but this 2 hour gap here. I think, like I said, we still have 16 minutes left. We should push. As you see, this is what we got, our liquidity sweep, our 4 hour and 2 hour for value gap, and then we reverse from there. Because honestly, I almost got in the trade here off this beautiful IFEG here to go to here, but I was like, I need a bunch of ticks now. I don't need no little baby ticks no more. So I was like, 250 is just not it for me. But my old 200 bracket. But again, the market could, I have to just set and forget or something. I did not trade options today because I forgot to close my options yesterday when we were at the top at 500 ticks. So I don't even know what it would look like. I should have just set a take profit. So it is what it is. So I don't know. Maybe we do 350 instead for now. 400 is what I need to get a payout though every day. Even though I have 5 days of over 200, so it doesn't matter. Or again, we could just do this till we get a drawdown. Because very choppy and slow this week. Like last week, I can get 600 every day. But this week it's like 500 yesterday. Yes, fair. We did get 500 yesterday. So I moved my bracket to 500 today with some trails. But I didn't like having the trails. Or I was going to say 300 break even. And then if we go to 400. Or I could do like this. What I had was 400. Let's go look. I had, the trail 200. That's a big trail. And I'm going to stop this out. I could do 225, but I don't want things to not play out for me. Or I could do 300 break even. And then at 4 trail, and then I have it tight because 450, that's still a $200 a day. Or I could just set it for $400 and just eat it. Or I could do 350 and just eat it. It hit 350 both days. We still could go our way. This is a big move down, but until we... That was a 15-minute for I get too, so... but yeah, see, it's been like a slow burn. There's still a big gap here. We can bounce and then go from. So I don't know. That was the thing about long trades like this. I was really bad at holding them, because it's like it's hard because you go so far and then it could reverse on you, or it could go so far and keep going your way as well. That's also a problem. So I might just do 300 ticks for the next few days, just to get our drawdown and stuff, and then we can adjust from there. Or do I keep this 500, or even just do 4 in a trail at 350 tight trail? I could do that. Like at 350 trail 300, so we're gonna start out here, and if we go to 400, we get 400. If not, we still get 150. So I could do that. Like it'll be So this will just move it to break even. We'll just do auto break even 300. We got 3,000. Then make it a 2-step, and then at 350 trail. No, at 350 trail 50, and then 400. I mean, I guess we could do a 3-step. 450, trail 50. That's what I used to do in my little home run. On chop day, I know on chop days like this, I know how the market moves per se. So it's just but then I've seen the market, like yesterday, say we wanted that full 600 and it just reversed on us after 500. You know, you don't want to get clapped on that. But it's like, so let's just save this template. I think that's doable. We've gotten 350 every day. But let's see how this works. I'm still probably gonna manage. Also, I'm about to record videos, TikTok shop conspiracy videos, which I need my I need my YouTube for. And the trail kept cha-ching, cha-ching while I'm recording my YouTube video, recording the screen. So I had to also that. If I can get the trail to not make that noise, I would love that. But it's nice to know that it's making the noise. But so that's what we did. That's what we did today. 120 yesterday, 150. I'm not holding for the full 200 or 250. I mean, I'm trying to get 300 a day. But again, I think that's my problem. Like, just take what you can get consistently. Still shoot for the moon. And hopefully there will be days where we do get those 200, 300 days. And for now, I just need to get like 5 days and just set and forget of this. And then 10 days. And, you know, I'm not trying to do... I was trying to scale up too fast, I think, before. And I just want to get what I can get, even though, like I said, it's not payout. But I've gotten 5 days over 200, so I could just scale this up. Like I said, we're still in drawdown, $1,300. Which yes, it would be nice to get $300 days to get rid of that. But I want to go slowly, or I could just go up to 2 contracts too, and then do 300. That's $300 a day. Okay, we're getting 300 every day. So we're willing to risk. We're risking 75 to make 150, and then we could do 150 to make 375. So I think we'll take that as it is. We'll keep doing these small ones, and then we'll scale up into 2 contracts and just do. We'll be risking 200 to make 300. It's not a 1. It's like a 1 to 1.5. So we'll see. We'll go from there. Let me take a screenshot from my thumbnail because I keep forgetting to do it lately. But yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow.